Experience how IP Study publication transforms artificial intelligence for an engaging learning experience for young adults through podcasts generated purely using state-of-the-art AI technology available on Spotify and YouTube. Here is a small example of the topic, photosynthesis.
All right, plant detectives, welcome back to the final part of our deep dive. We've explored roots, stems, leaves, flowers, even fruits.
We've covered a lot of ground.
We have, but there's one amazing superpower we haven't talked about yet: photosynthesis. It's like the plant's secret recipe for turning sunlight into food.
It's true. Photosynthesis, it's happening all around us in every green leaf. It's how plants make their own food, and it's what keeps them and us alive.
Okay, so we know plants need sunlight to grow. But how do they actually turn that sunlight into food? I mean, I can't just stand in the sun and expect a sandwich to appear.
Well, you're not a plant. Plants, they have a special ingredient in their leaves called chlorophyll, remember? That's what gives them their green color. And it acts like a tiny solar panel capturing that sunlight energy.
So chlorophyll, it's like a plant's secret weapon for catching sunshine.
Exactly. Imagine chlorophyll is like a master chef inside each leaf. It takes that sunlight energy, combines it with water that the roots absorb from the soil and carbon dioxide that the leaves breathe in from the air.
Wait, plants breathe air too?
They sure do. They need carbon dioxide to make their food just like we need oxygen to breathe.
And guess what? They release back into the air. Oxygen.
That's right. Plants are like tiny oxygen factories cleaning the air and giving us the air we need to breathe. Isn't that amazing?
It is super amazing. So what happens to the food the plant makes?
Well, the plant uses some of it for energy to grow, just like we eat food to get energy. And this food, it's a type of sugar called glucose.
So glucose is like plant food.
Exactly. And just like we store extra food in our pantries, plants store extra glucose in their roots, their stems, and their fruits.
So that's why carrots are sweet and apples are juicy. It's all that stored up plant energy.
Exactly. And remember, when we eat fruits and vegetables, we're getting energy from the sun that the plant captured through photosynthesis.
Wow. We've learned so much about plants today. We explored their roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits, and we discovered their amazing ability to make food from sunlight. It's like they have superpowers.
They really do. And next time you see a plant, remember all the amazing things that are happening inside, from the tiniest root to the tallest leaf.
So a big thank you to all the amazing plants out there for making our world so green, so beautiful, and so full of life.
And a big thank you to you for joining us on this deep dive into the wonderful world of plants. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep learning about the amazing world around you.
I hope this gives you a glimpse of the incredible potential a well-trained AI model can achieve. This interesting podcast is made using generative AI trained on IP Study textbook content. To listen to the complete chapter, go to the podcast playlist of the IP Study Hub on Spotify, or refer to the link below, or write to info@therateipstudyhub.com to get the sample copy of the books.